That silent, attractive gentleman with the mathematics books in his hands and sitting on a corner seat. That quiet, beautiful girl with pleasant manners waiting for the taxi with exact coins for fare. Well, most probably, both of them are Virgos. Let us know more about Virgos. Virgos are born between August 24 to September 23. Virgo is a mutable sign. Its element is Earth and ruling planet is Mercury. Virgo's astrological sign is a Virgin, although it doesn't mean that they are virgin. But most of them remain bachelors for long or do not marry at all. Even if they do, marriage is not something that comes naturally to a Virgo. Virgo people are usually of calm nature. They do not make noise. They always remain devoted to their families. Virgos are perfectionists. They are capable of observing each tiny details of the people and things around them. These people are often found at workplace, mostly at silent and calm places, away from the crowds and loud music parties. Secret worries are something that naturally comes to a Virgo mind. It seems like he has a serious problem in his mind which he is trying to solve while hiding it with his sweet smile. Virgos are intelligent people. They have clarity of thoughts. Their eyes are exceptionally lovely, quiet and clear. Generally, Virgos are very attractive and graceful in personality, with beautiful and balanced features. However, they are usually critical of their own looks. Virgo body is average size. They are usually not big, but their muscles are tough. These people have the capacity to work for longer periods of time than many others. Their only drawback is their inner anxiety, which keeps them worried about many things, causing their digestion and emotions imbalanced. Virgos are dependable people, but they do have a talent of acting. They can pretend to be ill if they do not want to go somewhere or do something. Virgos are usually conscious of their health and looks. A Virgo will groom himself pretty well. Similarly, he likes to keep his home and surroundings neat and ordered. But occasionally, when he is busy with cleaning the corners of his mind to calm down his anxiety, he might become careless about his clothing and surroundings. Hospitality is an inherent quality of a Virgo. He is most helpful friend when one is sick. Most of the Virgos have an emergency medicine box. Some of them are actually fine nurses, but such a nice and gentle Virgo may turn irritable, scolding and nervous when comes across carelessness, stupidity and vulgarity. Virgos are very careful about taking drugs. They must be aware of the ingredients and its course of action before consuming it. They usually carry their own things on a travel because they want to avoid buying things which might upset their body system. Virgos can't change their habits easily. Once they become used to of something, it somewhere becomes their necessity. A Virgo is one who can jump into a disordered situation and put the things in place to make a system run smoothly because of his mercurial mind, which like things to be done on time with a clarity of purpose. He is always ready to serve you on one hand, but may criticize you for your mistakes on the other. A Virgo can point out the flaws from everyone around, but strangely he clearly denies his own weaknesses and flaws. Somewhere a Virgo is actually aware of his own imperfections, but can't accept them to be generalized. Virgos feel anxious in crowds. They can't stay there for long, and eventually they become restless and act as if they are late for an important meeting, keeping their expressions calm and steady. Virgos don't want to be dependent on anyone for money or anything. The fear of dependence in old days makes them stringy, but if they have plenty of money, even then they spend it for its worthy value. Virgos earn money with hard work, and they do not like throwing it away for those who do nothing but waste it or for beggars. They are very sympathetic and generous for those he loves or thinks deserving. Apart from extravagance, Wasting time or not being punctual is also what irritates a Virgo. He himself is most often punctual in all his deeds. Some people call a Virgo selfish because he is the one who can serve you selflessly. But if he feels that he is being used out of his helping nature, then he will say a clear no, no matter you like it or not. Normally, Virgos are healthy, but still they may suffer from indigestion, pains in intestinal area, headache, and feet problems. They are susceptible to lung infection. Virgos are practical people. They do not like fluent sentiments. They hate vulgarity, laziness, and dirt. They like truth, punctuality, economic stability, and clarity of thoughts. Virgo is an earth sign. He is practical in almost every area of his life, including love and relationships. He has an unselfish devotion for those he loves, but he can't bear emotional and sentimental declarations. He has very few illusions about life and love. Dreamy clouds of romance will never overpower a Virgo mind, and he is still capable of looking at your vices and virtues distinctly. Best partners for a Virgo are Taurus and Capricorn. Cancer and Scorpio also proves to be great friends and companions. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. If you want to appreciate me, please like, share and subscribe it. And if you want to get notifications for my upcoming videos, please press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.